Hello, a very good morning to everyone. Dear students, yesterday we learned how to find the some specific values of some specific angles. Okay, dear, we learned. Okay, so these are very important. At least 30, 45 and 60 you should know. And how to remember? Look at if you have only remember sine values, sine 30 1 upon 2, sine 45 1 upon root 2 and sine 60 root 3 by 2. Now cos opposite. What is the value of sine 60? It is the cos 30 root 3 by 2, 1 upon root 2 and now 1 upon 2. Okay dear? And tan value how to remember? Tan 30 1 upon root 3, 60 is its opposite root 3 and it is 1. Always you will remember. Some students ask to me for fourth part. Okay, so look at how to solve fourth part. There is a calculation part. It is nothing. So look at sine 30. How much sine dear? Sine 30 1 upon 2. Only step by step. Plus 1 tan 45 1. And now dear you should know sine is opposite of cosec. Do you know? So now cosec 60. This means sine 60 it is and cosec it's reciprocal. So 2 upon root 3. So 2 upon root 3. Very simple. Now big sign. Always don't write like this one. We will use whole big sign. Okay dear? Equal to, look at sec 30. Sec is opposite of cos. Sec 30. 2 upon root 3. Cos 60, 1 upon 2. Now plus cot 45. Tan 45 is 1, cot 45 also 1. Reciprocal of 1. Look at now look at here. These are fraction. Fraction how can we add and subtract? By taking LCM. What is LCM? 2 and root 3. If there is no common, we will multiply denominator. 2 into root 3. Very good. 2 upon root 3 dear. Now 2 root 3 divided by 2. 2 cancel 2. What is remain? Root 3. Root 3 into 1. Root 3. If no denominator, multiply 2 into root 3. Now minus 2 root 3 divided by root 3. Root 3 cancel. Root 3. 2 into 2. 4 dear. Now big sign it is dear. Again 2 upon root 3 dear. It is become 2 plus root 3. Understand? Sorry. Yes. 2 upon root 3, 1 upon 2. So it is become, what is become? It is 2 upon, it is root 3. Root 3 divided by root 3 and it is become 4 dear. Okay dear? Now plus how much? 2 root 3. Now very simple. This one and this one cancel or not? Understand? Otherwise you can write like this one dear. Look at. So it is. Now we will add. Look at. This one and this one like term or not? Yes dear. Always all the terms of the same case we can add. Like term. Here is root 3. Here is root 3. Root 3 you can consider x. It is x. It is 2 into x. 2x plus 1x. 3x. So therefore it is 2 root 3. It is 1 root 3. How much become? It is 3 root 3 and minus 4. Okay dear? You can cancel direct this one and this one. Otherwise you will write like this one. 2 root 3. Now this one. Big sign. Now root 3 plus 2 root 3. 3 root 3 plus 4 divide upon 2 root 3. Now look at dear. Now 3 root 3 minus 4 divide 2 root 3. Multiply first and 4. So multiply 2 root 3 upon 3 root 3 plus 4. 2. It is 2 into root 3. It is both are cancel or not? And don't cut dear. 4 cancel 4, root 3 cancel 4. No, they are not in multiplication. There is a positive and negative. Most of students did mistake. What? They always cut 3 root 3 plus 4 and then they cut 4 cancel 4. No dear. We cannot cut. They are not multiplication. They are plus and minus. But dear, if here also plus given, then we can cut. Why? Because देखो 3 root 3, 3 root plus 4 plus, it means both are same or not, then we can cut. If same sign, okay dear? But don't cut. Whole number we will cut. Don't cut. 3 root 3 cancel. 3 root 3. And if it is suppose here 3 root 3 plus 8, 3 root 3 plus 4. Now can we cut? No. It is 5. 5 plus, suppose it is 5. 5 plus 8, 13. 5 plus 4, 9. We cannot cut. Okay dear? Only when both are same indeed, then we can cut. Okay dear? Always remember. So look at here. Can I write direct? Yes, in direct I can write. If you cut like this one, we can write direct. What is? It is become 3 root 3 minus 4 and 3 root 3 plus 4. Now dear, we check it. It is not answer given. Most of students, I think, find till here. Okay, they are scared. Why answer is not met? So what we will do? Always dear, do you remember in 9th class in the first chapter how to remove square root? By the two methods. By taking square or rationalization. Rationalization means dear, we will multiply and divide by the same number, only change the sign of denominator. Okay dear? So we will write, you can write if you want to write. What is? You will write here. Rationalize the denominator. What is meaning of rationalize? Look at 3 root 3 minus 4, 3 root 3 plus 4. Rationalize. Whose rationalize we are taking? Denominator. Only one thing is, remember, you change the sign of denominator and same number, and it is both are same number or not? Multiply and divide by same number. Can we multiply or divide? Yes. We have learned 7 multiply by 5 and divide by. Answer is not changed now? Yes. So same as why we did it? Because dear, whenever same number multiply and only change sign. Look at change sign. A plus B. A minus B. This formula is become. That's why we always in rationalization dear, always when we change the sign and multiply and divide, A plus B, A minus B, this formula is always become. Okay dear? And now it is, look at A minus B, A minus B, it's mean A minus B whole square. Okay dear? So you have to remember formula. It is become A minus B, A minus B whole square. A square plus B square minus 2AB, and it is A plus B and into A minus B, A square minus B square. Apply this formula and answer will come definitely. Okay dear? So always whenever, if you only put the values and you will do till here, then also you will get full marks in exam. Okay dear? Don't be. Okay, don't. No need to fear. Okay dear? Only put the value and you can leave here also. Okay? But here answer is given. That's why we will. So what is A square? A square. 3 root 3 square. 3 square? 9. And root 3 square? 3. So it is become 27. Yes? Very good. 3 root 3 square. 3 square? 9 and root 3 square. 3. 9 into 3. 27. Okay dear? Direct. We will not waste our time. Okay. B square. B is plus B square 16 minus 2 into A. 2 into 3 6. 6 into 4 24. 24 root 3. Now A square minus B square. A square 3 root 3 square 27 minus 16, and it is your answer. You can check it. 27 plus 16 43. I am writing here. There is a space problem here. I am writing here answer. 43 minus 24 root 3 and 20. It is 11. It is your answer. Okay dear? So it is our answer. So please note down it. Its third part also you have to do same as it is. Note down it please. Yes, we have to solve it, and there is a answer. It is a multiple choice question. Okay, dear. Four answer is already given. So we have to look. Only solve it. 2 10 30. 2 into 10 30. 1 upon root 3. Divide. 1 plus 10 square. 1 upon root 3 square. Like this one it is. 2 upon root 3. Now 1 plus 1 root 3 square. 3 dear. Now 2 upon root 3. How to add? Taking LCM. Otherwise, direct you can add. It is meaning whenever dear, if we want to add two fraction, if in the one fraction there is a no denominator, it's mean 1 and 1 by 3. It is meaning 3 1 are 3. How to solve mixed fraction? 3 1 are 3 plus 4 by 3. Look at 1 plus 1 upon 3. 3 is LCM. 3 1 are 3 plus 1. 3 1 are 3 plus 1. 4 upon 3. We will save our time, not like 7th class. Okay, dear. Now 2 upon root 3. Multiply 3 upon 4. 2 cancel 2. Now it is become 3 upon root 3 into 2. Now what we will do? Yes, can we cut root 3 and 3 also? Yes, we can cut. But how to cut? Look at. Yes, dear. Look at. Root 3 can we write? Root 3 into root 3. Root 3 into 2. Like this one or no? Always we will write in simplest form. Okay, dear. Always remember 3. A divided by root A. It's mean 1. It is how many root A? 2 root A. So how much answer? Root A. 1. Because root, it is meaning root A into root A. Otherwise you can write like this one. Root 3 cancel. Root 3. What is answer? Root 3 by 2. Now dear, but MCQ is given. First is sin 60. Yes, root 3 by 2. Whose value? Sin 60. It is our answer. Okay dear. The rest are not our answer. Like this one you have to check it. Which one is our answer? Okay. Suppose our answer is come 1. So it is 1045 answer. Okay dear. So all part number 1, part number 2 and part number 4 you have to do yourself. Okay dear. Note down it. Okay. Now next part number 3. Look at part number 3. Sin 2a equal to 2 sin a. We have to find this question. Sin 2a is true when a is. We have to find it is true when a is how much. So we have to check it. Left hand side equal to right hand side at a what case? Okay dear. So first, so what is given answer? 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree or 60 degree. So look at first, suppose we will take A is how much angle? 30 degree. A is 30. So sin 2A how much? Sin into 2 into A. A is 30. So how much sin? It is become sin 60 or not? Sin 60 how much? Root 3 upon 2 dear. Okay dear. Now look at. Now is equal to 2 sin A. Okay. It is. Now we will find value of 2 sin A. 2 into sin A is how much? 30. So 2 multiply 1 upon 2. 2 cancel. They are equal? No. So it means when A is 30 they are not equal. Now we will take one more angle. Suppose. Now we will take A is 0 degree. Because 4 MCQ given. Now A is 0 degree. Look at. So A is 0. So sin 2A. How much? Sin 2 into 0. 2 into 0? 0. And sin 0 degree. Do you remember? In yesterday I told you sin 0 is always 0. Okay dear. Now 2 sin A. Sin 2 sin 0. 2 multiply sin 0. 0. 2 into 0. 0. Yes. So it is satisfied in what case? When a is 0. How much? Only a is 0. Okay, not a is 30. Don't think 2 into a 30, 2 into 30 60, 2 into 30. No, don't multiply like this one. Okay dear, it is 60 angle, it is only 30 angle. Okay dear, so note down it. So it is true for when a equal to 0 degree. Okay dear, note down it. Now dear, question number 3. This question is very important dear. Okay, if this type of question come, we will do by this method. Okay, we learn this method. Okay dear, and it is very important. Okay dear, very important. So look at dear, we have given tan a plus b equal to root 3, tan a minus b equal to 1 by root 3. Find a and b. What is meaning a and b? If I write here dear, tan a equal to root 3, so it means a value, a is angle or not? How much angle you will take of tan, then it is become root 3. So how much angle? A is 60 degree. Okay dear, it means whatever you will write here, it is always a angle. Same as it is here, in this question we have given what is first tan a plus b equal to root 3. Now angle what is given? Angle a plus b given, because a may be 30 degree and b may be 20 degree. It means it is tan 50. Okay dear, same as it is a plus b angle whose value is root 30, 60 degree. It means a plus b equal to 60 degree. Otherwise you can write like this one dear, tan. What is meaning? It is meaning it is an angle. Okay, an angle whose, what angle we will take? Tan whose root 3. So angle is 60. So it means a plus b equal to 60. Otherwise a plus b we will write here in which form? In tan form. Here also we will write in tan form. Root 3 whose value? 60. So we will write whose? Tan 60. Can we write or not? And tell me dear, it is also tan, it is also tan, and it is angle, it is angle. And in tan, two angle have same value. So it means their angle also equal or not? Because do you know of tan any angle? Tan 30 equal to tan 60? No. They are equal only one case, when both are equal. This angle and this angle. So it means it is angle how much? A plus b, and so it means a plus b angle equal to of this angle. Then they are always equal. Okay, understand or not? It's tan some angle and tan some angle both are equal. It means angle must be equal. So a plus b equal to 60 degree. Equation number 1. Here we will do use of third chapter also dear. Look at. So now second equation, tan a minus b equal to 1 upon 3. Now again we will write here in tan form in both sides, a minus b 1 upon root 3 whose value? Tan 30 dear. So it means a minus b how much? It means this angle and this angle both are equal. So a minus b equal to 30 degree. Equation number 2. And we want to find here a and b. It is like a equation in two variable in third chapter. X plus y equal to 60. X minus y equal to 30. Two variable or not? And so it means we will solve the equation. So what we will do? We will how to solve by three method. We know we can solve the linear equation in two variable. One variable, two variable. One variable, two variable. How to? Cross multiplication method we know. Second is what is substitution method. Third is elimination method. Elimination method is very easy. Look at in elimination method what we will do? We make the coefficient of variable are equal. Here is coefficient of a is 1. Here also 1 already equal. Here coefficient of b 1. Here is also b. It means we want to, what we will do, add or subtract, then one variable is cancelled. Yes, it is positive, it is negative. It means if we add 1 and 2. B minus 0 or not? Only A is remain. Understand? So we will write adding equation 1 and 2, A plus B equal to 60 degree, A minus B equal to 30 degree. Yes, add them. B minus B 0, A plus A 2A. Only dear, in elimination method, first we will make the coefficient are equal. If coefficient are equal, then we will check either we have to add or subtract. Okay, either you add or subtract. Definitely one variable is removed. Okay, so look at 2A equal to 90. Now look at elimination method means we have to eliminate one variable. So we have already eliminated B. Only one variable is remain or not. And if equation in one variable, we can easily solve. 2 is multiply another side, divide 2. How much? A is 45. Now A equal to 45. Put in equation 1 or 2. It's very simple. A is 45. 45 plus what number it is become 60? 15. A is 45. What number we subtract? It is 30. 15. But don't write direct. Okay? So write, put A equal to 45. In any equation you can put. In equation 1, A plus B equal to 60. A 45 dear, plus B equal to 60 dear. B another side 45 negative. So it is 15 degree. You can verify also. Sum of two angle A plus B 60. 45 plus 15 60. Yes. Difference 45 minus 15. It is your answer. Okay dear. You can subtract also dear. Equation 1 and 2. Yes. If you subtract, it is become negative. It is become positive. It is become negative. When we subtract, always change the sign or not. A minus A 0. B plus B 2B become. Then you can. But we add them. Okay dear. Okay, so note down, it is very important question dear, and always remember, may become here sin A plus B equal to 1 upon 2. So both side first we will make sin, then we will write. Okay, both side we will, it is 10. So here also we will write in form of 10. Note down it dear. So now dear, these two questions you have to solve yourself. Okay, two equations are given. Find A and B. Okay dear. In both questions, find A and B dear. Okay. So solve it. This one also. These two questions are important. You have to solve it. Okay dear. Note down it. Now look at dear question number 4. State whether the following are true or false. True or false. First, pause the video and try to solve all the question. Okay dear. Now look at. We have to find sin A plus B equal to sin A plus B. We have to check it. So what we will do? If you don't know, we will try it. Okay, we will try to solve it. What we will do? Look, A is some angle and B is any angle. So we can take any angle you can take. Let any angle you can take. Let A is 0, B is 90 degree. Okay dear. Now we will check it. Sin A plus B. Sin A is dear how much? 0 plus 90. So sin 90 how much? It is sin 90 value always 1. Next is sin A plus sin B. Sin A is 0, sin B 90. So it is 0 plus 1. Yes, they are equal. Yes, it is sin A plus B is 1. Sin A plus sin B is also 1. So therefore it is true. No dear, we cannot check for only one angle. Okay dear, because sin A plus B equal to sin A plus B, both are equal. It's mean they are any angle. We will take in place of A and B. So what we will do now? Look at, in place of you can take different angle. Look at here. A is 30. It is how much? It is 45. You can take. Look at. So sine. What we will take? One is 30. One is 60. You can take. Look at. A 30. A plus B sine 30 plus 60 sine 90. How much it is become? So A plus B is 1. Now sine A plus sine B, dear. A is 30 plus sine 60. Sine 30 1 upon 2. It is root 3 upon 2. Taking 2. Yes. Both are equal. No. 1 is 1 plus root 3. 1 is 1. They are equal. So you will say it is false. Okay. And because you write this example. Okay. We here proved that now they are not equal. If A is 30, B is 60. Whenever, dear, we will take only these variable. It means they should be verified for all angle. But we will prove that they are not equal when A is 30, B is 60 degree. Note down it, dear. Okay. You will write it is false because we have already proved it. Okay, dear. Note down. Now second part, dear. Look at. The value of sine theta increase as theta is increased. Tell me answer. The value of sine theta is increased when theta is increased. Check it, yeah. What is problem? Sine theta mean angle. Sine 0, 0. It is sine 0, 0. Sine 30. Sine theta value increase as theta increase. When sine 31 upon 2, so 0.5. Increase or not? Now it is 1 upon root 3. And after 1, it at 91. So it means whenever angle is increase in sine, the value of sine also increase. Always remember, dear, root 2 value 1.41 and root 3 value 1.71. Okay, 1.71 or 1.73, anyone. Okay. Do you remember how to find? In the 8th class we have already done. Otherwise you will remember like this one. Okay, we will use these two value in 9th chapter. No need to. So you can check. You can only look by the tables. So we will say the value is increase. So you will write first sine 0. You will write 0. Sine 30. Then you will write sine 45. You will write sine 60. You will write and sine 90. Then you will write yes. Sine theta. The value of sine theta increase as theta is increase. Okay, dear. You will do yourself. Okay, dear. Next is B part. Third part. The value of cos theta increase as theta is increase. Yes or no? Now check for cos. Yes, cos 0 is 1 and 90 is 0. So value is decreasing or not? So it is, you will write, it is false. You will write first cos 0 value, you will write cos 30, cos 60, cos 90. Then you will write it is false because value is decreasing. Okay, dear. So do yourself this one also. Now fourth part. Now fourth part. Look at. You have to do yourself. They are very simple. Okay, dear. And this time maybe CBSE take your exam MCQ also. Okay, multiple choice question in November, December. Okay, dear. So right. So they are very important 1 mark question. Okay, dear. Next is sine theta equal to cos theta for all value of theta. Yes, Azhar, tell me. They are equal for all value of theta. What is meaning? Theta mean any angle here. Sine 30 equal to cos 30. Okay, sine 30 1 upon 2. It is. They are equal. No. It is asking, tell me sine theta and cos theta is always equal. Theta mean both sides same angle. For all value of theta, any angle. Only in 45 we will take, they are equal. But when we will take 30, they are not equal. When we take 60, they are not equal. When we take 90, they are not equal. So you will write any example you write. You write theta equal to 30 degree. Sine 30 1 upon 2 and now cos 30 is root 3 upon 2. So it is false. You will write. Only dear, whenever you want to, in any question it is come true and false. If you want to do this thing is false, what we will do? We will do one example, counter example, which is not satisfying. So we give here example na, when they are not equal, so it means it is false. Last part. Yes, cot A is not defined for A equal to 0 degree. Is not defined. So look at, check it. Cot mean dear, cos A by sin A. I told you na, cot is cos by sin. Cos 0 degree. For A is how much? 0. Cos 0, 0. And here is sin 0. Sin 0. Sin 0. And now cos 0 how much? 1 and 1 upon 0. It is not defined. And tan 90 how much? Tan 90. Tan 90 also. Achha, it is 0 na? Okay, it is not defined. Okay. So sin cot. So cot 0 is not defined na? It is not defined. So yes, it is not defined. It is true. Okay, dear. So we have already finished exercise 8.2 also, dear. It is very important. It is based only this formula. All these formula. Okay, dear. I hope you understand it. Okay, dear. And if you have any problem, dear, please ask to me. Okay. And do example also in your notebook. Example number 8. Very important. Example number 8. Example number 7. You have an example number 6 you have to do in your notebook also. Okay, dear. Thank you, everyone.